At the very beginning of the cleaning process, I add 1 drop of dish soap to the water in the ultrasonic cleaner. I do this to reduce the surface tension of the water so that it flows better into all the tiny holes and channels of the carburetor. 1 small drop is completely fine, no problem. But using too much dish soap or other cleaning products is very dangerous for your ultrasonic cleaner. This includes disinfectants, household cleaners, multi-purpose degreasers, cold cleaners for engine washing. Why is this dangerous? Many of these cleaners contain chloride ions, which cause corrosion on stainless steel. In an ultrasonic cleaner, this corrosion happens even faster because the sound waves keep breaking down the metal. Eventually, the material becomes too thin, leading to holes in the tank. And if water leaks onto the electronics, game over for your machine. So, very important, do not use household cleaners or alternative products. There are special cleaners made for ultrasonic cleaning, safe and effective. You'll find links to the right products in the video description. This is a very important tip to protect your ultrasonic cleaner. As soon as our full carburetor cleaning guide is online, we will link it in the description as well. Subscribe so you don't miss it.